Hey, Donald Miller here. So we're on day 8 on mainline Rewire, and we have energized. We're deviced out. We haven't plated yet. We don't plate until when we turn on. If there's no issues within the circuits, then we can start plating. And as of right now, we have no issues within the circuits. All right, so 8 days for a 6,000 square foot house is ridiculous. Okay, it's pretty impressive. We didn't patch yet. We're waiting for a lighting designer to come through and let them design the house, and then we'll come back through, put the extras in, put all the lighting in, and then we'll do our patching. So there's going to be 2 more videos to this series here, but let's do a walkthrough with it finally rewired. All right, so we'll go around. We did a Decora style outlet, tamper resistant. All right. Now this is going to be removed. These are the old window outlets that were ran with pipe work from outside. So we're going to be removing the pipe work. All right. So we have our ceiling fixtures back up, or ceiling wires, not fixtures. We're not putting fixtures up yet. All right. So this will be patched with Structo-Lite and then a lime gauging plaster on top. And so you can see some of the plaster is a little brittle. Okay, so we had to do what we had to do to rewire it and put a new box in. We wanted to try to put new switch boxes in whenever possible. All right, but check this guy out. This is a very, very early recessed light. See how big it is. Cool though. It's cool. You're probably looking at something from like the early 60s, maybe late 50s right there, especially for the time period of the bathroom. You see the pink and yellow. We had to cut the tile to get a GFI in here. All right, so yeah, bathroom is what it is. We were able to keep the tile to put the switches in. All right, so we're still on the 3rd floor here, and yeah, so here's some of those old window AC outlets, and we caulked. You can see in there we caulked it up. We did a 3-layer filler, so deep in the hole we put padding, whatever we could get our hands on, and then we went and we did duct seal, and then on top of the duct seal on both sides we then caulked, just for a little extra cushion in there. All right, notice the neutrals are up. We put all of our neutrals up on side outlets. All right, so yeah, again, we're gonna have a little bit of patching because we had to get those old boxes out. All right, so let's keep moving. So so that is the beginning of our 3-way system. And the 3-way system, here's 2 more. And I'm gonna walk you through the 3-way system because it's pretty extensive. Here's 2 more part of that system. There's one of the switch boxes. It's the pipe work. All right. And then yeah, we went through and we actually set them in the joists. All right. Here's that little nook. Talked about in an earlier video. Let me turn that off. It's actually like, this is plaster too. That's like a domed plaster light fixture, so we're not gonna mess with that. All right. These will be removed again. Okay, they're the old window systems. All right. So this is the changing room, and below here I made a video of the most difficult fish, okay? And the reason being it was a difficult fish is this is a solid wall, okay? And there's our bathroom. And on the other side we have built-in closets. So we had no access to fish that wire, and that's why we had to do what we had to do down there. This is not getting rewired. We're demoing this. It's all wood. It's an old style cabinet system. So the wood in the cabinet systems is going to go away. The electric has been redone. So we have some holes over here. That's a little bit big of a hole for us, but we had to do it. All right, there. Here's the old style hi-hats. That's an access point. We were just trying to fish down the crawl space through it. So that'll go right back up. Let's just double check, make sure. Yeah, so lights are working. So that's good. Considering this was all attached to knob and tube, even though it was a completely renovated bathroom and it looks nice, okay, this was all on the knob and tube. They didn't rewire any of this. All right, so we're back here. Now we're getting back into the three-way system, and this three-way system is extensive, all right? These two are four ways, okay? Along with, there's these two, and there's two more that are four ways over here. And the four ways are for the first floor sconces as well as the second floor sconces, and they want to be able to control them from multiple locations, including the third floor. And that's where you get your multiple four ways from. And here we go. No power on yet. We're juiced, but the lighting's off right now while we work on some stuff. All right. So this is the beginning of that three-way system here, okay? So this will all get patched with Structo-Lite. As soon as we figure out that there's no more extras over in this area, we'll remove labeling tape of like how extensive the three-way system is. And we tried to do octagonal fan supports throughout the house. It was just a better fit with the depth of the ceiling fixture holes. See, even with an octagonal, we're still a little bit below, but we'll be all right there. Nice little in-wall switch here. Needs to get cleaned up. All right. Hold on, I'm gonna. So this is our staging area now that we're cleaning up. And here's that difficult fish area. This was that difficult fish. We went through right here, up into the height differences are amazing here. The amount of distance we had to go through stone to get up here. That was a tough fish right there. All right. And yeah, so all in all, you know, 8 days. They might have been long. I think we were doing somewhere around, I don't usually let the guys work that late. I don't need everyone burned out. But, you know, I'm burned. Like I'm a little hurting. You know, 14-hour days it can take a toll. So this was the second rewire in a row. We just got done one in Marion Station where we went straight through. So, you know, I'm working on like 16 days without a day off, 14-hour days, but they were all contractual deadline rewires. So I didn't have a choice on how long they could take, but we got them done, it's good. All right, thank you for watching. I'll make 2 more videos out of this. I'm going to do a video after the extras, and then I'll do a video of the patching, and because we do authentic plaster patching, and I'll let you guys see, you know, the mixing board, the lime, the gauging plaster, and why plaster patching is so much superior than like a filler patch or like a drywall patch. Thank you for watching. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.